Morning students, I am Mr. Ravi S. Kumar, lecturer in Department of Studies in Commerce, KLS Gokte College of Commerce, Belgaum. So let us start with a session on unit number 2, that is retail development and formatting in retailing. So before going to start unit number 2, let me overview of what we discussed in the yesterday class. In the previous class, we studied the entire syllabus of retail marketing and also we overview of unit number 1, that is introduction to retail management. And today class we are going to discussing the retail development and formatting in retail. But before going to knowing the learning objective of that unit number 2, we'll come to know that what is retail development. See, very simple sense, in a simple scenario, retail development means the traditional retailing aspect, how it is going to be developed or moving into the modern retailing aspect. This is known about what retail development. As we know already, street players, roadside vendors, and that small kirani shops, and these all the peoples are the traditional retailers. So those traditional peoples, how they are moving towards to the converting into the modern retailers. This is known about what retail development. Development in the sense of what how the retail is going to developing, growing day by day. This is known about what retail development. And next, retail formatting means what the whatever the retail, how they are going to systematically divided or systematically organized, that is maybe organized and unorganized. Those are the formats in the retail. And let us start with this unit by learning objectives. So dear student, after completion of this unit, retail development and formatting and retailing, you are able to understanding the following the objectives. So the first objective to know the organized and unorganized retail. Means what do you mean by organized and what do you mean by unorganized retails? In that meaning, forms of organized, forms of unorganized, needs, activities and features and difference and many more aspects you will come to know that after completion of this model. And after that, one more aspect is what you will come to know that what is traditional retail and what is modern retail and what is retail formats and what are the reasons for emergence of modern retail formats. See, the reasons for emergence of modern retail means what? What are the reason the modern retail formats came into or existence? So what are the reason? Those reasons we have to be studied under these chapters. So these are the learning objective of your second unit. Let me know about it. And today class mainly I will focus about what that special is what organized retail sector. So let us start with how the retail organized retail is going to fixed. See, the first point is what retail as a trade has developed over the period of time from the unorganized street vendors or sellers like sabzi wala and pan wala to organized shop like super bazaar and departmental stores. Dear students, the retailers, how they are going to develop. The first point is going to talk about how the retail is going to develop. The retails are developed from sabji wala and pan wala into in a systematic manner. It means basically the retail is going to unorganized. Then unorganized is moving towards what? Organized systematically. Then unorganized means unorganized retailers are the retailers. They are not have any set of rules and regulations for selling the goods and services to the customers. This is known about what? Unorganized. Then what is organized? There is a set of principles. There is a set of rules and regulations for selling the goods and services is known about what? Organized retailers. When you enter into the vegetables bazaar, the particular the area or location shop is there. So in that shops, in that area, everything is to be systematically organized in all types of bazis and all. But once we enter into the common bazi market, there is no any systematically in that. Everything is to be what? The dispatched. So that is what traditional. So it means the whatever the sabzi wala and pan wala and many more peoples, then the small kirani shop peoples. So how they are moving into the shifted into the what? Like super bazaar and departmental stores. This process is known about what? The retail is a trading aspect. Trading means what? Buying and selling. So retailer has to buy the goods from the manufacturer and he has sell the goods to the customers as per the customer's needs and wants and demands. So that is moving from traditional into the what? Modern aspect. because sabji wala and pan wala, they are street vendors, street players. They are going to selling the goods and services on a roadside. But today what will happen, those peoples are moving towards the what, the super bazaar and DMarts and departmental stores, because once you enter into the DMart, you will get all type of goods and services in a systematical manner, in an organized manner, as per your convenient way, as per your convenient the cost also. So that is the first unit. That second point is what? Today we see a revolution in the field of retail business with the entry of firms like Big Bazaar and more, and McDonald's, Walmart, that are not just delivering the goods but also satisfying the needs and wants of the people, and by their ensuring the customers' delights. Dear students, one more thing I would like to explain regarding that retail development. And as you know, regarding there is a huge revolution in the water retail aspect, because the traditional retailing is moving towards the water that modern. So once we enter into the modern retailing, many things we are looking at, but Big Bazaar is there, more is there, supermarket is there, Walmart is there, your hypermarket is there, then again DMart is there. So these peoples are not only providing the goods and services. See, their intention is what? They are going to providing the goods and services to the needy people as per their convenient, as per their demand and wants. And they have to name their main intention is what? The customer should be delighted, the customer should be happy. They are working, they are going to providing the service to the as per the customer's happiness. Once you enter into the DMart, so as per your convenient, the all types of products, just to take it as soap, so all types of soaps are available in the water in a systematic rack. So as once all the soaps are available in a particular location, in a particular place, you are happy. So you will, as per your economical, as per your social, culturals, you are going to buy the soaps. Because when you go for the Karnataka, the first system is what of the Mysore sandal soap is there. The most of the people, they are going to moving through a Mysore sandal. That is their culture is. Some people, they are going to following the Dove soap. I am not talking about any culture of the people, but the intention of these modern retailers such as the DMart and Walmart and McDonald's and more. So these people intention is not only providing the goods, with that providing the goods and services, they make the customers delight. This is the main intention. This is a second point. And what about third point? The third point of the retail development and formatting. Retailing has developed as more as organized activity. See, so in the retailing, what will happen? Once you enter into the DMart or once you enter the supermarket or more, so everything is should be developed and organized and systematically. And they are functioning of marketing and distribution of goods and services. Actually, retailing means what? Retailing is what? Selling the goods and services, in supplying the goods and services. But today what will happen, how they are going to develop it, they are not only selling the goods and services, they are going to providing the goods and services in a systematically in organized manner, and also they are functioning like a marketing in distribution of goods. What is the main function of marketing? The market is a place where we are going to exchange the goods and services as per the needs and wants and demands. This aspect is studied in the second semester, that is what is marketing. It means the retailer is not only selling the goods, with that goods they are going to doing the marketing activities also, that is the distribution of goods and service to the customers. And next, the fourth, the introduction aspect is the retail can be broadly classified as organized and unorganized. Means the retailing aspect, the retail market is going to divided into two aspects, that is organized and unorganized. So dear students, one look into this diagram, this is unorganized retailing and this is what organized. So by looking into the diagram, we will come to know that how it is organized and unorganized. So in that unorganized retail, there is no anything systematically, there is no any set of rules and principles. As per their convenient, they are selling the goods and services. But once you enter into the organized retail, so everything is to be systematic. There is a set of principles, there is a set of rules and regulations of selling the goods and services to the needy people. So let us move to the next, that is the best examples of organized retail examples. Once again, I will clarify, dear students, in today's class I am going to taught you those only organized retails. So for example, the Big Bazaar is there, that again Walmart is there, more is there, PVR, Raymond, Reebok, Adidas. These all are the best examples of what? Organized retailers. And if you take it unorganized, that is sabji wala and pan wala and road place streeters and kirani shops. So these are the best example of unorganized retailers. Let us start with a detailed study about organized retailers. Then what will happen under the organized? So dear students, under the organized retailers, as you know already, everything is to be systematic. There is a set of principles. Let us start with the first application. First point, it is a application of a marketing function in distribution of goods and services to the customers. Of course, see, organized retailers or organized retailing system is application of marketing, means is a part and parcel of marketing. What market will do that? The market is going to providing the goods and services to the customers as per their needs and wants and demands. The same thing is to be done by what? That organized retailers. Because once you enter into the DMart or Walmart or more and all, that everything is to be organized systematically, and as per needs and wants, they are going to supplying the goods and services. Because why? You have a many options. If you take it any single product, you have a lot of options. So as per your lot of options, they are going to distribute the goods and services. Next is what we have to take it a second point in the introduction. It is not just selling of goods. Yes, of course. See that organized retail, they are not selling the goods. With that selling the goods, their intention is what? The customer should be delight. As per the customer's needs and wants, they are going to supply the goods, and also they are doing the marketing activities also, because already we studied in the first point only, the retailing is what? Organized retailing is what? The application of marketing function. So not only they are going to selling the goods, with that selling the goods, they are going to providing what? Marketing activities also. The third, the point is what? It is a recent development, of course. So nowadays only, as per the people culture, as per the people the norms, everything is going to changing, because the human is not a static. As per the human wants and needs and demands, again I will come to the marketing aspects, because as you know already, the retail management is a continuous aspect of your marketing management. So only as per the customer's needs and wants, the people wants is everything is systematically and organized and in fast manner. So because of that, the retailing concept is already existed. It is a traditional method, but the organized retailing concept is recently introduced, or recently it is developed, because as per the customers requisites and as per the customers wants. Let us move to the next point, that is fourth one. It is outcome of socio-economical factors, because it is outcome means that is a result. So means organized retailing, it is a result of socio-economical factors. As socio means again will come to the people aspects, people culture, people scenario, people needs and wants and demands, people economical activities, the economical factors. So these organized retails takes place. The last point in the introduction, retail and marketing are two different concepts. Of course, because what will happen under the retail will what happen? Retail is going to selling the goods, but in marketing is what happen? But retail and marketing are two different concepts, but both are involved under the what? Organized retailer. But once we look into the unorganized, there is only retailing is going on. There is no any marketing activity. But under the organized retailing, the both aspects are going on. That is retailing as well as marketing. So this is a brief introduction about what? Organized retail. So that is the application of marketing, and it's not a selling of goods. With selling of goods, they are going to doing marketing, and they make the customer delight, and it is a recent phenomena, is a recent development, because as per the customers, the peoples are going to changing, as per the peoples are changing, as per the people's expectations, we should change. Na? So because only they are going to, retails are moving into the unorganized into the organized manner. Because we, as you know already, again we studied in the business environment also, as per the people culture, again because only we are going to shifting. Next is what? Under the organized retail aspect, the retail and marketing are the two different aspects. Both are involved under the what? Organized. But once we look into the unorganized only retailing is there. There is no any marketing concept. So let us move to that. What do you mean by unorganized retailing? See, it is refers to the trading activities undertaken by licensed retailers, that is those who have registered themselves for selling or sales tax, income tax, and many more. It means organized retailers are the retailers, those are trading activities is to be undertaken by the licensed retailers. One who have a licensed retailer, those will comes under what? Organized. and those who have registered themselves and they have to pay the sales tax, income tax, and many other the local taxes, those peoples will comes under the what, organized. So then if you are not paying any sales tax and income tax and we are not registered, then you go for what, unorganized retailers. Means already I told you, organized retailers are the retailers are those who are, there is a set of rules and principles and laws, those are the organized retailers. So we'll move next, that is features of that features of what, organized features of, yes, the features of organized retailers. So let us take the first example, that is a convenient place and locations, because it is according to this, the retailers deliver the goods from location that is convenient to the customers. Because as per the customers convenient, they are going to providing the goods and the services. In case of physical location, it may be small store, shops, multiplex. It may also be over the internet through mobile or mail orders. They are going to sending the goods and services. So this is known about what, a convenient place and locations. As per the customers convenient, they are going to supplying the goods and services. In case if their customers are given the locations, as per the customer's location, they are going to sending the goods through internet, mail or WhatsApp and some other internet devices. Nowadays, because of COVID, you all are ordering the goods as per your locations. The organized sectors, they are going to providing the goods and service. Next one is what, organized sales. See what will happen in organized sales. See, in the modern retail is organized business of selling to the customers by application of principles and functions of marketing. According to this, everything is to be organized as per the customers' requisites. They are going to selling the goods and the service, because there is a set of application, they have a set of principles. As per that, they are going to supplying the goods. Let us move to the next point, that is market, not just a sales. See, already we studied this aspect in the again under the introduction aspect. See, retailing, especially organized retailing, is not a sales. It is involved again marketing aspect. Because what is marketing? Organized retailing or retailing is not an activity of just sales. It is a marketing activity. Consumer is offered and comfort and convenient. As per the convenient, they are going to buying the goods of each choice. The market function is like transporting, banking, insurancing, warehousing and undertaking to create and delivering the goods by satisfying the people. So only under the organized retail, the both aspects are involved, that is marketing as well as retailing. But retailing is not a sales. Sales with that marketing also going on. Next, that is goods and also sales. See, organized retail marketing is not only concerned with the delivery of physical goods, of merchandise like grocery, vegetables, electronic goods, etc. It is also engaged in providing the services. Nowadays, marketing of services is become an important area like insurance and tourism and hotel investment and etc. With that, the globalization process entry of MNC development in the field of IT sectors has made a marketing of service more popular and developed. It means the organized retailers are not, they are going to providing only physical goods. With that physical goods, they are also providing the some other sales such as insurance, hotel and hotel investment, tourism, the many more the service also are going to providing. Next, customer delight. See, customers delight means organized retail not only satisfy the customers' wants, it ensure that the delight of the customers, because they are going to providing the more satisfaction than what is expected through its retail network. And retail marketing is collection of information of registered and regarding the type of product decided by them, and according to their communicate, such information is to the manufacturer and product is to be designed. It means customers delight, the customer delight is nothing but what? They are not providing only goods and services as per the customer needs, and they are understanding the customers. So what customers need is that, so that need is to be provided to the manufacturer, and as per the customers, they are going to prepare the goods and sell them to the what? Customers. Because retailer is an agent between manufacturer and seller, na? So he is the best person. He has to collect the many information from the customers as per the customer's needs. Those needs is supplied to the manufacturer, and manufacturer is providing the goods in manufacturer prepared and supplying to the retailer, and retailer is supplied to the what? Customers. Let us move to the next point, that is comfort and facility of shopping. See, under the organized retail sector, it means modern retail houses like shopping malls, chain stores, multiplex, market stops, pleasant experience, and the environment and ambience in supermarkets provided variety of facilities like kids play, entertainment, and parking, life toys is collected the goods, coffee shops, etc. Means once you enter into the DMart and Walmart and many more the organized sectors, they are going to providing a comfort and facility shoppings. So if you are carrying any kids and all, they are going to providing in play room and play the room also. So and they are going to providing some toys for the kids, and they are going to providing a comfort car parking also. It means there is no any the problem from the retailer side, because their intention is what? They have to make a customer delight. Because of that, they are going to providing a comfort and facilities for shopping. If you want to do any shopping, they are going to providing in free and comfort and facilities to you people. Just example is what? A DMart. See, you will get a car parking. Again, if you go for the big bazaar, you will get a car parking, and you will get a trolley, and as per your convenient, they are going to providing the facilities for the shopping. Next is what? Service to customers. See, what will happen in service to customers? They are going to providing the good service to the customers. The first one, locate the retail stores at place that is convenient to the maximum people near to his locality. For example, whenever they are going to establishing or starting any organized retail shops, as per the customer's locality, as per the customers near to their locality, and therefore convenient place, convenient city or heart of the city, they are going to fix those type of organized retailers. And also they are going to provide offers variety of goods to choice from them. They have given variety of offers of goods choice for the customers. This is also one of the service to the customers. And make attractive presentation and placement of product for easy to identification and selection. Because so once you enter into the market, easily you can attract. There is a systematic the goods arrangement, nothing but presentation, and there is a systematic placement. The particular place for the particular product is available. That is a good for you people. You can easily choice and identification of the goods. So these all are the main features of what? Organized retailers. If you take it again, in general, increasing the productivity, increasing the employment opportunities, increase the GDP, and retailer as a separate branch of study. So these all are the best and good features of or characteristics of the retail. So in the next class, we are going to discuss about the forms of organized retailers. So in tomorrow class, I will start with what are the forms of organized retailers. So we'll meet in the next class with a new aspect. Thank you.